It's fucking rising over there.
Yeah. That's the one. That one. There's one right here.
Shit, that guy's fucking windows broke.
Holy shit, you're
what
right.
What the hell?
That guy's back windshield was busted in. His whole back windshield was just busted in. That tree, I think, saved mine.
It looks like it's about to fucking go down.
It is. Oh shit, that one right there looks like it. That's too slow though. There's not near enough of a rotation.
It still needs. It's not too dry. No. It's not super dry.
Not that, but if they drop somewhere in a city like this, it's gonna hop. Holy shit!
What the hell? Oh, what the fuck? Dude, fucking transformer just blew out.
Huh?
Transformer just blew out. You know the things that the electricity boxes that.
Oh, that's over there?
Yeah, it's like over here. All you see is blue. And this guy passes by in a taxi cab. Guy passes by in a taxi cab. Fucking back window busted out.
No, have you seen some of this shit? Come look at my front yard, dude. Y'all need to get some good pieces, dude. Look at that big piece of shit right here. Oh yeah, same shit in my backyard. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude. And that shit, dude, this poor taxi driver had this whole shit busted in. But yeah, that one just blew up. Surprised we still have power.
Transformer blew out.
Oh well, hey, dude, if we're fucked, we're gonna be fucked no matter what.
Dude, it's spinning right there. It's spinning. Cheetah, it's spinning right there, bro. Chico, right here spinning, bro. It's spinning right there. Super fucking dark. Fucking windy as fuck. Another one? Right here, like, coming fast. Tell me it's not super, like, it's like down as fuck over there. Dude, tell me! Dude, it's lowering down every fucking second.
Right there.
You see it? Like that little tiny grape? Dude, it's touching! It's fixing to go down! I'm telling you, I'm not even joking.
Yup, just got super calm and quiet all of a sudden.
But it's way dark though.
I'm going inside the restroom.
Dark as fuck.
That is so scary.
Dude, it's lowering down every time, like it's stopping right there.